Alright, this very quick video is just an exploration of how to navigate this website if you're having a hard time with it. I want to point out a couple aspects to it. Let me just adjust this so you can see. Down here, this blue bar shows the range that you'd be looking at in this website. So what you want to do is mouse over the boxes to change the range through history that you're examining. Now we are looking for much more recent voyages. I believe I had set it for something along the lines of 1500 or 1400 to something much later. So as you see, as I move this box, the date changes. I can also shift this entire bar. So I think we were at something like 1400 to 1700. So I have gotten there now. I have narrowed down the voyages to the ones that I'm interested in. I also wanted to point out, by clicking down and holding the map, you can move around on the map. Go back to that in a second. And in the lower right here, the plus sign helps you zoom in. The minus sign means you can zoom out. So if you just move the mouse over a voyage, a little box pops up telling you the date and the leader of the voyage, the captain of the ship. If you click on it, that now gets isolated and you just have that voyage. If you click on a box, it tells you a waypoint or a stop, and it will tell you what happened there. So as you can see, this one that I randomly chose, an idea of Vasco da Gama's sense of humor and sense of humanity, capturing 4 Arabs, locals in Africa, and torturing them. So that was the kind of guy he really was. I can click on the arrows to get to the next stop in his voyage. So I'm now at waypoint 3. Click again to waypoint 4. Waypoint, think of that as a stop. You can also hit close. Now if I am done with this voyage and want to go back to a different one, I go down here and click on back to all routes. And I'm back on looking at all the voyages that have been done. The minus sign helps me zoom out to get a more global look. And if I want to, I can zoom in much more closely. For instance, if I want to see exactly who went where in Florida, giving me a better idea of how to navigate the map. And if I click on one voyage, again I want to back out, I can do that easily by clicking back to all routes.